Breathing in, bring your head back one more time. Breathing out, bring it forward. And let's rotate our neck from right, back. Breathing out to left and down. Breathing in to right, up. Breathing out, left and down. Let's do two more rotations. Finishing this round and bringing the head in the center towards the down. Let's reverse direction, breathing in to your left shoulder and up. Breathing out to your right and down. Breathing in to left and up. Breathe out to right and down. Let's do two more rounds in this direction. Whenever you feel tightness in a particular position, like suppose I am feeling a tightness here, just stay here and then take few deep breaths in and out. Finishing this round, let's come to the center. Now let's do something for the shoulders alone. Now let's bring our hands in the front, all the five fingers spread out, like you're pushing a wall. And shoulders relaxed, elbows straight. Now let's move our finger, palms up and down, up and down. You may be feeling a little bit behind your shoulder blades. So make sure your elbows are straight. If your elbows are like that, like loose, then you won't feel it. So your elbows should be very straight and stretched out. Now let's spread the fingers and let's rotate our palms, causing the rotation in our shoulder blades. Now let's bring our hands on the side, fingers pointing towards your face like you're pushing the wall. And again, the elbows very straight. And now let's rotate our hands as long as much as you can rotate. Do it very slowly. Don't do it very fast. Now let's bring our hands in the center again, fingers pointing towards your face. And now let's make small circle with your hands. It's helping your shoulder blades mobility. Now let's make the reverse direction. Now let's make big circle, as big as you can, keeping your elbows straight. And now let's reverse. Now let's bring our hands in the back, clasp your fingers, pull your shoulders back. Squeeze your shoulder blades. This is opposite of what we do when we work on our computers. So we are opening our chest and squeezing the shoulder blades. Now breathe in and breathing out. Bend from your hips. Put your hands towards the ceiling. Pull your hands up. Stretch your shoulders. Keep breathing. Breathing in, gently come up. Relax your hands and relax your shoulders. Shake your shoulders. Let's bring our hands like this and relax our shoulders. Breathe in, bring your shoulders close to the ears and breathing out. Breathe in. One more time. Now bring the fingers on the top of your shoulder blades, elbows in front of you. You see if you can bring your elbows very close to each other. Breathing in, bring your elbows up and back. Breathing out, down and forward. Breathing in, up and back, down and forward. After finishing this round, let's reverse direction. Breathing in, back and up and forward and down. And relax. Now let's bring one hand, right hand in front of you, thumb pointing up, all the four fingers together. Now move your right hand towards your left shoulder. Now raise your left hand up and put it near the wrist and push the right hand towards your left shoulder. And keep looking over your right shoulder. Keep breathing. Breathing, gently relax your hand. Let's do the other side. Let's raise your left hand up and move it towards the right shoulder. With the support of the left, push the left shoulder close to your right. Left hand close to your right shoulder and look over your left shoulder. Make sure your left elbow is completely straight and you're pushing near your wrist. With each breath, see if you can push a little bit more. Breathe in, relax your hands. Now, breathing in, bring your hands up. Breathing out, bend from your hips and bring your hands to the floor and look forward. Breathing in, gently bring your hands back. Now, let's bring your right hand towards your right side. See if you can bring your elbow or just the palm, whatever, but make sure your left knee is on the floor. Breathing in, left hand up and bend towards your right side. Make sure your left hand is completely straight. Breathing in, bring your left hand down on the left side and now bring your right hand above the right ear. One more time on each side. Bring your right hand on the right side and left hand above the left ear. And stretch the left hand towards the ceiling. One more time on the left side this time. Make sure you're not bending forward or backward. Your body is in one line. Breathing in, bring your hand down. Now let's bring our hands parallel to the floor. We'll do the eagle arms. Breathe in, bring your right hand underneath your left and bring your hands in a prayer position. Join your palms together. If you cannot do that, then just do this. Tightly hug yourself and then open your shoulder blades. Now breathe in, move your hands a little bit away from your body and keep moving up. It opens your shoulder blades. Breathing out, bring your hands down and relax your hands. Shake your hands. Let's do the other side. Bring your left hand underneath your right and join your palms together. Breathing in, bring your hands a little bit away from you and up. Feel the stretch on your right shoulder. Breathing out, bring it down and relax. Now let's bring your right hand near the, sorry, bring your right hand near the left back like this, and then turn your head towards the left shoulder. Feel the stretch in your right side of the neck and at the same time in the shoulder blade also. And now you can bend your head towards the left shoulder, feeling the stretch in the neck little more. Breathe in, gently come up. Now let's reverse the position of the hands. And now look at your right shoulder. Now this time let's make your head straight and bend your head towards the right shoulder. And gently come up. Now let's do one more shoulder stretch. Bring your hands behind the back and see if you can bring your hands in a reverse prayer like this. Join your palms together. If you cannot do that, you can bring your hold your elbows together like this. Okay? Do whatever you can. And stay here. And gently relax your hands. Now bring your hands little up and hold your both of the elbows together. Now bring your right hand behind the right shoulder blade and pull the right elbow with the left hand. Pull it back and down. Now let's do the other side. Bend the left hand and bring the palm to the shoulder blade and pull the left elbow back and down. Now we'll do a variation. Bring the right hand on the left right shoulder blade and bring the left hand behind the back and see if you can hold the fingers together. If you cannot, you can just hold your t-shirt, but feel the stretch. You will feel the stretch in your left shoulder right now. And gently relax. Let's do the other side. Bring the left hand behind the left shoulder blade. Pull the elbow back and down with the right. Bring the right hand behind the back. Adjust your right hand and see if you can hold the fingers together or your t-shirt. Observe the difference in the tightness on both of the sides. You can close your eyes and take few deep breaths in and out. And gently relax your hands. Okay, now let's come on to your tabletop. Your hands are underneath your shoulder blades and your knees are underneath your hips. Your hands are shoulder width apart and knees are hip width apart. And let's do some cat cow stretch. Breathe out, bring your chin to the chest and pull your navel in. Breathe in, look up, push your navel to the floor. Breathing out, chin to the chest. Breathe in, look up. Breathe out, breathe in. So it's good for your neck and good for your back. Now gently bring your big toes together. Extend your arms forward and push your hips back. Sit back. Have your hands straight, stretching forward. Elongate your spine. This is also good for your relaxing your shoulders. If you keep your hands stretched like this. Now gently come onto your palms. Come onto your tabletop. Now bring your left hand in the center and breathe in. Bring your right hand up. Look at your right palm. Breathing out, bring your right hand underneath your left. Bring your right ear on the mat. Move your left hand in front of your face. And now you can bring your left hand behind the back. Feel the stretch in your shoulders. And look up. Breathing in, gently bring your left hand down. And bring the right hand up towards the ceiling. And look up. And relax your right hand. Now let's do the other side. Breathing in, bring your left hand up, stretch it towards the ceiling, and look towards the left palm. Now bring your left hand underneath your right like a thread in the needle. Rest your left ear onto the ground and bring your right hand behind the back. Look up towards the ceiling. Breathing in, gently bring your right hand down, left hand up towards the ceiling, and come up, come down. Now we'll go to the downward facing dog. Spread the fingers in your hands, tuck your feet in, just lift your knees up in the beginning, push your chest against your thighs, and now push your heels to the floor and push your navel down, push your chest towards your thighs. Look at your navel, hands straight. So, this is another good posture for your shoulders. Breathing in, gently come onto your knees and sit on your thighs and gently come up. Let's lie down on our back for some relaxation. Your hands on your side, feet are relaxed. Keep your eyes closed. Take a deep breath in and let it go. Tuck your chin slightly so that your back of the neck is stretched and relaxed. Relax your shoulders. Feel the touch of the floor with your shoulders. Breathe into your shoulders. Relax it completely. Take a deep breath in and let it go. Let your whole body rested on the floor. Let all of your efforts go. Relax your legs, knees, hips. Relax your abdomen, chest region, fingers, shoulders, front of the neck, back of the neck. Relax your face, eyes, head, top of the head. Relax your whole body.